Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious chicken patty recipe with crispy baked potatoes. First, cut 800 grams of chicken fillet into small equal pieces and put them in a bowl. Crack 3 eggs into the bowl, add a little salt and black pepper, and mix everything together. Chop some parsley and add it to the chicken mixture. Add 60 grams of mayonnaise and mix again until everything is combined. Then add 120 grams of grated cheese and mix well. Add 70 grams of corn flour and mix until smooth. Place a pan on medium flame and add 30 milliliters vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, take a full spoon of the minced chicken mixture and place it on the pan. Shape it into a round patty. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then flip and cook the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes until golden. Now prepare the potatoes. Peel and cut 800 grams of potatoes. Add vegetable oil, salt, garlic powder, and paprika. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, spread the potatoes on a baking tray and bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. For decoration, you can cut 1 to 2 tomatoes in a special design. Before we finish, here are the ingredients you need to try this recipe. 800 g of chicken fillet, 3 eggs, salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, chopped parsley, 60 grams of mayonnaise, 100 grams of cheese, 60 grams of flour, 100 milliliters vegetable oil, 800 g of potatoes, and sliced tomato. Give it a try and enjoy a delicious homemade meal. Tell me in the comments from which country you are watching this video. Take care of your health and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.